image.
Franklin, we see a long line, a couple of star-like things, and a lot of things swimming in the foreground. Can you describe what you're seeing?
Well, the long line is a tether, and there's a little bit of debris that kind of flies with us, and it's illuminated by the sun at such low angles. So there's a lot of stray light, and it's getting washed out quickly, but Claude is trying to do a quick, good job here adjusting the cameras.
Copy that.
Houston, Columbia, I was using both the 20 power binoculars and the 400 millimeter Nikon lens under the body bag, and it only just disappeared in the glare of the sun about 30 seconds ago. The tether looked completely straight. I did not see any bright spots along the tether except
the foreground, which leads a lot of folks to believe that they were real and they were out there.
These particles may be nothing more than ice and debris from around the ship that are out of focus because a telephoto lens was used.
NASA maintains that this is nothing more than ice and debris that's around the ship that's out of focus because this is a telephoto lens. Now, the camera was using a lens, a telephoto lens, which incorporated a mirror. This hole that's in the center of this mirror also leaves an artifact, the same artifact that you see in the discs.
Light illuminates these objects from behind, and then this light bounces off the mirrored lens. The objects will now appear to have the form of the lens, even though this is not their actual shape. This can be seen by Tyndall's example. He has prepared a small piece of fishing line that is backlit by a green light. However, when the line is passed in front of the camera, it doesn't look like fishing line. It takes the form of a circle with a hole in the center.
Sunlight was coming across and hitting ice crystals and backlighting them and causing them to illuminate. Any shape that's around the lens of a camera or around the optical path will impinge on those circles of confusion.
But even if the object's shape can be explained, why do they appear to pass behind the tether and circle it? John has set up a mock tether inside a three-dimensional environment and will show how this optical illusion occurs.
You see how overexposed the tether is at this point? Mm-hmm. Even though this is in the foreground, it gives the illusion that it's passing behind.
The image on STS-75's camera is overexposed, meaning that objects appear brighter than they actually are. This gives the illusion that they are behind the tether, when they are actually in front.